Student, welcome to my study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the BARC OCES examination which is held on 22 to 27th of September 2021, and what was the type of question you need to select before going to examination. Just give the basic brief details of all those things, and we have also give the detailed analysis of 21 examination which is conducted by BARC. So you need to stay at the end of the video. If you have any type of query or doubt, do mention in a comment box. So let's begin with the video. So as per the plan, they have released the notification about the BARC OCS examination, and they have started examination as well, conducting examination as well. So what type of question they have released, that I have get this question based on 2020, but the similar things are asked in 2021 examination as well. The first question, which is related to engineering mechanics, there is a ladder which is inclined and having mass, and mass is slide down. You need to calculate the friction. Like that question, we will exactly same things we will repeat it in this year as well, but in case of inclined they have mentioned as the horizontal bar. Going with the next subjects, strength of material, they have definitely they will ask with the deflection of beam and shaft, but deflection of beam on a sure basis you need to just take care, because the deflection of beam having too long method to calculate as well. If you try to solve a single question, it might be take more than 5 to 6 minutes. In case of that, in such a question, do not solve and skip it at all. And going with the next question. But for the other question which is have directly like more second, all those things you need to solve it. And the next question is coming from the shaft, which is calculate the basic diameter of that. For the machine design, they have given three type of question, mostly bearing life, which is 100% sure it's coming in almost all the examination. You need to just revise it. After that, they have mentioned in calculate the stiffness of spring, and for the failure of analysis like factor of safety, you need to calculate based on the theory of failure. All these three type of question they will ask in 2021 as well. Might be question will be differ, but the topic they have mentioned almost same. They are repeated each and every time. Going with the next subject, theory of machine, there are few questions which is majorly impacted overall analysis. Forward mechanism, which is a very easy question which is coming every year in this examination, and you need to just given the shortest length, longest link, and you need to check whether this is applied to the Grashof law or not, and you need to give them exact mechanism which is there. And after that, they will ask a question related to gear, related to vibration, and vibration having 2 to 3 questions. Sometimes it's coming with a 4 to 5 question as well, based on the paper setter in. And one more thing, like you need to calculate the degree of freedom in vibration as well. Going with the next one, like flywheel, they have already asked a question related to that. And dynamic analysis, they have also asked one more question. And going with the fluid mechanics, they ask a question related to manometer, which is the basically ESE type of question. And for the ask a question related to parallel pipe, you need to calculate the diameter of that in such a cases. And overall rate of flow of like discharge as well. Going with the next one, boundary layer and dimensionless analysis, you need to solve 100% with the dimensionless analysis question, because it's the very short and quick question. You need not take more than 2 minutes for solve that type of question. So you will get the mostly question from these fluid mechanics and SOM. Mostly question are related to fluid mechanics and SOM. And for the dimensional analysis, you need to remember all these 5 dimensionless number like Mach number, Grashof, Reynolds, Nusselt, and Biot number. And going with the next, they have asked one question for turbine. There is no question asked related to pump and other characteristics of pump, but the basically impact of jet and turbine, they have asked that type of question in the examination. Going with the next, thermodynamic. Thermodynamic is also plays a major role in BARC examination, because there are total 5 subjects which have a more important, and number of questions are too high as compared to the other subjects. Like if you go about that, so strength of material, thermodynamics, theory of machine, and heat transfer and fluid mechanics, you need to at least go with the proper revision with the 5 subjects. And other than that, you need to just go through it, because number of questions as compared to these subjects are less, very less. Like if you question in a SOM around 15 to 20 question, in case of hydraulic machines and refrigerator only 1 to 2 question are there. So just keep in mind. And what was the thermodynamic? There are total 4 to 5 questions related in thermodynamics. First you need to calculate the work done, and the next question which is coming from entropy, and for the next 2 questions which is coming on properties of pure substance, and you need to calculate the basically CV for that. And question which is coming from Clausius inequality equations, you need to calculate the either temperature of reservoir based on the questions. And one more question from the properties of pure substance. Going with the heat transfer, there are total 4 questions, 3 to 4 questions. Basically heat generation equation in slab, 1 question coming from that. Next question is from fin. Basically we need to calculate the heat transfer area, and heat transfer, one more question which is coming from the solid cylinder of heat transfer. And a few questions is coming from radiation as well, along with the convection. And for the radiation, basically they have asked about the, you need to calculate the shield efficiency, like that, with and without shield comparison. And 2 questions related to ask for the convection. You need to basically find like what was the overall heat transfer coefficient. And 1 question coming from the cylindrical coordinate of conduction equation. Going with the next one more question is coming from theory of question which is related to capacity of heat exchanger, and 1 question for parallel flow heat exchanger numerical. Going with the next one, RAC having 1 question related to basic cycle, and 1 more question is coming from the properties of psychometric chart. For the next subject, IC engine, they have asked 1 question related to Otto cycle, which you need to calculate the mean effective pressure, which is basically from Otto cycles, and you need to just remember the formula related to that. Like if you have remembered that formula, you easily solve that question. Going with the next one, power plant engineering, they have asked 2 to 3 questions. 1 question is directly related to the Breton cycle, where you need to calculate the work net, and 1 question is coming to theory, which is a basic question, we need to just go through it. Again, going with the material science, they mostly ask with the heat treatment process and few of the basic properties of like materials of that they have asked it. Going with the manufacturing, the basic question they have asked, definitely each and every examination has came this type of question related to solidification time. They ask about the cube and slab, which is exactly same thing is asked in 2021, but only need to change the dimensions. And 1 more question is asked about the casting defect and porosity of that. And going ahead with the welding, they have asked 3 questions. 2 questions is related to directly heat required and melting efficiency of that, and 1 question is coming from coating. And going ahead with the metal forming and sheet metal, they have asked a few questions related to like forging, balancing, forging, blanking operation, rolling, and where you need to calculate the maximum reduction of the sheet metal. Going with the next one, metal cutting, they have asked about the shear strain rate to life, which is most important equation, because you need to definitely reach out this type of question in each and every examination, and BIS is also focusing on that. And related to built up age, they have asked about the theory questions, and 1 more question coming from the rectangle. Going with the industrial engineering and operation research, they have asked about the basic area calculation, like linear programming, in find the maximum area bounded by the curve. And for the PERT and CPM, they have asked about 2 questions, and 1 question from the basic inventory question, where you need to calculate the economical order quantity, and 1 question is coming from forecasting. And going ahead with the next one, they do not ask few of the questions related to subject which are not important. So basically think in mind and prepare these 5 subjects which I have mentioned over here. Going ahead with the next question, which is coming from statement questions acceleration, like that, and which is exactly same type of ESE previous year question. So you need to mostly focus on engineering mechanics, strength of material, theory of machine, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamic, and basic application of thermodynamics. So after that you have a time, then go with the industrial engineering on all those things, but keep at least these things in mind. Production question, they are fixed almost, because metal cutting and welding is definitely come in each and every examinations. Going ahead with the maths, they have asked about 4 to 5 question of maths, which is coming from vector as well as probability. These two types of question which is coming, and mostly vector question is related to ask to find the angle between the two vectors. How you need to calculate the basic, like two equation they have given, you need to calculate whether the equation line are parallel or not, like that question they have asked. And basically one more question which is the standard equation, you need to simply solve it. And going ahead with that, they have asked related to the differential equation and probability, mostly binomial distribution or Poisson distribution. And overall they have give the details like if you have basically solved the GATE and ES previous year questions, so you have a mostly easy to moderate with the 50 numerical, 10 theory type of question, 10 moderate to hard, and 15 hard questions are coming which have innovative and other things as well, and 5 questions related to maths. So at the end I suggest that if you have already solved the ESE 1 numerical type of 1 marks numerical type of question, do not solve theory question at all, because very less question related to theory they have asked in examination, and mostly solve with the GATE previous year questions. At least go through it for almost all subjects which I have mentioned earlier. And if you have any kind of a doubt or any kind of confusion related to BRC, do comment box, do mention in the comment box. And if you need any type of help and give a feedback to our videos, mention over there. And if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for